Where my KP girl is at, you need to get in here because I just brought you guys the best body lotion and serum that will change your life forever. So if you are suffering from keratosis pilaris, this is the right video for you. Today we are going to be talking about KP and the best body combo that I found that has helped me, that is going to help you too. So if you don't know what KP is and you have it, KP is keratosis pilaris, and it's those pesky little bumps that you find on your skin. Sometimes it can be on your arms, your thigh, your legs. It can be basically anywhere, and mostly it's mostly genetic. So if you guys have keratosis pilaris, popularly known as strawberry skin or chicken skin in your family, there is very high chance that you are going to have it too. But not to worry, because there is a solution. I wouldn't say keratosis is totally curable, but you can manage it that it does not bother you anymore. So many people have keratosis pilaris, popularly known as KP, strawberry skin, or chicken skin, however you like to call it, and don't know what causes it. So what causes keratosis pilaris is basically the buildup of keratin in the body. Keratin itself is a protein that protects our skin, but when it becomes too much, it leads to those tiny little bumps that you find on your skin because it clogs your pores. And you know, when you have keratosis pilaris, that is basically what you see, like little bump like texture on your skin that are so visible. Of course, I've done this type of video before that I've reviewed products that has helped me with keratosis pilaris. However, like, you know, you discover more skincare products as you go forward, and I've discovered new ones that has really helped me greatly, and I wanted to plug you guys because why not? I need to show you what is currently helping me. It's the popular Amlactin daily 12% lactic acid and Slather by Topicals. You guys, if you don't have any of these two and you have keratosis pilaris, I don't know how you are doing it. I don't know how you are doing it. Because what? This one contains 12% lactic acid. I have reviewed this one on my channel. You can check out the review. But I'm just going to go through it once more. This contains 12% lactic acid, which is alpha hydroxy acid. And basically what it does is to help you exfoliate all the dead skin cells in your body, which are what clog your pores and help reveal like a clearer, brighter skin. So if you want a bright skin, then Amlactin is for you. Amlactin also helps keratosis pilaris by exfoliating dead skin cells. So once all the dead skin cells that clog your pores that leads to visible keratosis pilaris, they are all gone, you have nothing to worry about. So basically, this one is a high concentration of lactic acid. If you are using this in the daytime, you also need sunscreen to go with it. I've reviewed this product. It does what it's supposed to do. It's now expensive, guys, but it's really worth the money. Then there is Slather by Topicals that I used together with this. And you guys, if I'm asked to choose between Amlactin daily 12% lactic acid and Slather Topicals, I wouldn't know which one to choose. Slather by Topicals, this one contains retinol, the same lactic acid that this one contains, but in a lower concentration. This one contains urea and squalene, and the major active in this body serum is retinol and lactic acid, which is really important. You guys know that I said retinol is the powerhouse of our skincare, and the only reason why I might want to pick this one over Amlactin is because this one contains retinol. This one is basically just 12% lactic acid and then some that of mineral oil. It does not have much ingredient as much as this one does. So here is how I use it in my routine. After taking my bath, I love to use like any body wash that contains oats, because oats is also known to help suit strawberry skin, chicken skin, or however you like to call it. It also helps. So I use a oats and honey body wash, I use the Aveeno body wash, and sometimes when I'm out of my Aveeno body wash, I also use a bar soap from a Nigerian brand that contains oats and honey, so it helps really soothe and it's not drying at all. Then I use this Amlactin. You need to constantly reapply body sunscreen. So if it's not practical, just wear very long clothes that covers all your body if you want to use this in the morning. And this really helps with giving you that radiance, that skin glow. This does not make you like 2 or 3 shades lighter. No, that is not what you are going to get from this. What you are going to get is radiant, even skin glow. That's what you are going to get from this Amlactin body lotion. If you are wondering what the texture is like a thick, creamy texture. I'm not a fan of its smell, but I can deal with it. So here is what it looks. So if you are using this body, if you are using this body lotion, please use it at night, or if you are using it in the morning, ensure you are wearing your sunscreen. Please and please and please, so that you not get burnt and you will say, oh, the Amlactin is not working, it's making me dark. No, it's going to make you dark because you don't wear body sunscreen. I don't use them together actually because they are too exfoliant. I might be too harsh for your body if you use it together. It might be overwhelming for your skin because this one contains 12% lactic acid already. You don't need any product that contains lactic acid if you are using this, and this one contains lactic acid, so there will be no point combining them together. What I do is use them alternatively. So if I should use this one on Tuesday, I'll use this one on Thursday. The combination of these two in my routine really helps with my keratosis pilaris. Here is what this one looks like. This one is a this one is not as thick as the Amlactin, and this one is a white um liquid. For the smell, this one smells like macklin. It smells like all this mint toothpaste, and this one has like a urine smell. I'm not even going to lie to you. That is the difference. This one is not as thick as this, and this one has like a minty toothpaste like So if you're asking me, Ademoke, which one should I now buy between these two? If I'm going to be honest, if I'm going to be honest, yeah, I think you should get this if you are suffering from KP. But if you are looking for bright, you don't really have KP, you're just looking for skin radiance, you just want your skin to be clear, go for Amlactin body lotion. Have you tried any of these products? Which one do you think is better? And also, let me tell you that I have a discount code if you want to shop from if you want to shop Slather. Just go to mytopicals.com and use reachheyaderonke as a discount code. Then you get 10% off your order. I will put the link in my description.